Listen carefully and repeat after me. Practice these sentences every day to improve your English. Hello, my name is Emma. Hello, my name is Emma. Hi, I'm Michael. Hi, I'm Michael. My full name is Sarah Johnson. My full name is Sarah Johnson. You can call me Alex. You can call me Alex. I am from New York. I am from New York. I live in Los Angeles. I live in Los Angeles. I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. I was born in Chicago. I was born in Chicago. I am a student. I am a student. I study English at university. I study English at university. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. I am interested in music. I am interested in music. My hobby is reading books. My hobby is reading books. I love playing soccer. I love playing soccer. I am learning English. I am learning English. I started learning English last year. I started learning English last year. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. I'm happy to be here today. I'm happy to be here today. Great job. You finished today's practice. Repeat these sentences every day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more lessons.